question. This is a question from AQA A-level Chemistry. It is from paper 3. It's required practical assessment, and this one is based on RPA6. I'm going to recommend you pause, have a go at the question for yourself, and then review. So here's the question, parts A and B. And now let's take a look at the answer. So compound A, compound B, compound C structures have been given. They can be distinguished by simple test tube reactions. For each pair of compounds in the sections below, give a reagent and explain what you would see that would allow you to distinguish between them. So if we consider A and B in part A is a ketone and B is a carboxylic acid. So we've got to try and think of a test that will identify one of them. Well, I've gone for sodium carbonate. You could name sodium hydrogen carbonate. Any metal carbonate would actually work because we know that metal carbonates react with acids to produce salt, water, and carbon dioxide. That means we would get no visible change with compound A, our ketone, but we would get effervescence with compound B, our acid. If we then compare compounds A and C, A being a ketone and C being an aldehyde, that takes us to our tests for aldehydes and ketones. So in this particular question, I've gone for Tollens reagent. In Tollens reagent with a ketone, we get no visible change. But with an aldehyde, we will form a silver mirror. You could just as easily there have gone for Benedict solution, which would still be no visible change with A, the ketone, but would give a brick red precipitate for compound C. That takes us to the end of this question. Thank you for listening and goodbye.